Welcome, viewers, as we also continue with the discussions we had earlier on social science research. Today, in our discussion, we want to look at two aspects of our social science research: the aspects of results and discussions. Presentation of results is very important because it gives, like the printer, a clear show, demonstration of the output of whatever we've done. And no matter how beautiful a research work is, if the results are not efficiently presented, readers may not be comfortable with reading such presentations. So it's good that we highlight more important results first in our results presentation. If we highlight the very important results, then we can go ahead to identify other results. Yet in doing this, we must place them in their order of importance. In some journals, in some publishing agencies, they require that results and discussion be presented together. In other cases, results are separated from discussions. So subject to where you're publishing or where you're presenting your work, you need to do keeping with the author's guide. For the discussions, state your core results as we've earlier on highlighted. Now, state the results that went against a priori expectation. It's good that you give us a true picture of what you did. When we say a priori expectations, we mean the expectations you had as a researcher before embarking on the research work. It's not always true that what you had in mind before going about your research will always be same as what you find on the field. Of course, we know our literature review goes a long way to shape our expectation when we conduct research. But if there are results that went against these expectations, it's good that we please do not ignore them, but highlight them and then go ahead to possibly profile reasons why such deviations must have been observed. Next thing is that in discussing your results, you need to compare your results with existing literature and findings. We have already discussed on the need for adequate referencing to avoid plagiarism. At this point, you compare your results, you look at what other persons who must have conducted similar research in your field, in various study areas, had reported. Compare their reports, their presentations with yours in the case of your discussion. Also, find out reasons for deviations, if any. If there are no deviations, you must also try to highlight reasons why your results went the same direction with the previous research findings. Thank you again for your time. We want to believe that this will go a long way in helping you to get your work well presented. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to also activate your notification button subsequently.